And Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Smart School City Campus online maths class for grade 1, textbook page number 61, the chapter subtraction. On page number 61 you have the exercise and the question is subtract. Now the part 1, 22 subtract 4. Now you have 2 tens, 2 unit, and you have to subtract 4 unit from the 2 unit. Can you subtract 4 from the 2? No, you can't. So you will take 1 from this 2. The first step is we can't subtract 4 from the 2. We need to regroup or borrow 1 tens or 1 unit from the tens to unit. You can see that we have borrowed 1 from here and it will become 12 unit. 1 10 or 2 unit, or you can say that 12 unit. When you will borrow 1 from the 10, it will become 12 unit. So subtract 4 from the 12. The answer will be 8. The step 1 is that you have to borrow 1 and regroup the unit. And the step 2 is subtract unit from the unit. Now you get the answer 8. Now the step 3, subtract tens from the tens. You have tens, 1 tens. Now when you will give 1 to here, the answer will be 1. So here is only 1. We will write 1 here because there is nothing to subtract. The 1 will come same. Now the part 2. What is the first step? You have to subtract unit from unit, and here is 5 unit and here is 7 unit. You can't subtract 7 from the 5. So what will you do? You will borrow 1 from here and it will make regroup. Regrouping is equal to 15. Now it's 15 units, so you have to subtract 7 from the 15. What will be the answer? The answer will be 8. Here the 5 have left, so you will write the 5 here. Now the part C. Same thing. You will borrow 1 from this 4. Now you have to subtract 6 from the 14. The answer will be 8. Here the 3 has left. You have to subtract 1 from the 3. The answer is 2. Now that's your homework. You have to solve this all question on your textbook. You can see that. Try to solve it by your own self. If you are getting any problem, so you can message us to solve it again or make your concept clear again.